Texas is suing the Biden administration to obtain citizenship and immigration records for registered voters. Attorney General Ken Paxton claims they don't know the citizenship status of nearly 500,000 voters because they didn't register with a state ID.
He says most of them are likely citizens, but we can't know for sure without data from Homeland Security. Our Ryan Chandler reports.
Are there almost 500,000 potentially fraudulent voters in Texas? No, not close. In his latest lawsuit, Attorney General Paxton says the 450,000 voters in question are likely eligible to vote, but he needs more data from the feds to be sure, writing, Texans are increasingly concerned about the possibility of non-citizen voting.
This is not a real lawsuit. This is a messaging stunt.
Election law experts are highly skeptical.
There is absolutely no evidence of non-citizens on the voter registration rolls in Texas. And in fact, the state of Texas already went through an extensive process this summer where they removed hundreds of thousands of people from the Texas voter registration rolls for all sorts of reasons.
We asked DHS to respond to the lawsuit. They tell us they have been engaging with Texas, but they already have an online database that any state can use to check citizenship records, essentially telling Texas, you should be doing this yourself. On top of that, this lawsuit comes during a grace period in federal law, where states can't remove voters from the rolls anymore because it's so close to the election.
That begs the question of what is this and why is Paxton spending our taxpayer dollars to do this? Well, the lawsuit is strikingly similar to one that was filed by the state of Florida last week. And essentially it is a messaging effort.
We asked Attorney General Paxton's office for more information and have not yet received a response.
And that was our Ryan Chandler reporting. For some insight, the Texas Attorney General's office hasn't responded to an email sent by KXAN since September of last year. In fact, the AG's office received more than 2,700 emails from March to September of this year, and its main press contact only sent out 8 emails. Now, the state office pays more for its communications team than most government offices. Communications Director Paige Wiley gets paid more than $213,000 a year. That's more than the White House press secretary, more than Ken Paxton, and more than most of the assistant attorneys general on his staff.